Hi friends, in today's video we are going to see the best home remedy for cough and chest congestion. So the things required are few fresh betel leaves, tulsi leaves, peppercorns, honey, turmeric powder, cloves and few dry fruits. This is the best home remedy to stop your cough immediately. I've tried this and this is 100% working. Even when I was tested COVID positive, I had severe cough. When I tried this, it really works. Take 2 fresh betel leaves, turn it upside down, add few tulsi leaves to it, some 4 or 5 peppercorns to the center, add 1 clove to it, a little of turmeric powder, a spoon of honey, and few dry fruits like this. You can also add dates if you have. So what happens here is the sweetness of the honey and the dry fruits will completely disturb the bitterness so that it will taste sweet. So make it as a small parcel like this and the betel pack is ready to consume. Please take this every 1 hour duration and your cough will be completely controlled. Friends, I've tried this and this is 100% working. Please try this and control your cough and your chest congestion. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.